Alright guys, we're gonna get right into it. Today we are going to do some custom mini briefcases. Now this is an idea that I came up with because I had to do a couple of items for a going away kind of like a ceremony type of thing, dinner type of thing. So I was tasked with coming up with an idea to do certain party favors. These were one of the party favors that I came up with. So this is the template right here. Once again, if you need a template, let me know, leave a comment below and I can forward the template to you for $5. Anyway, I designed in Canva, cut it out, and this is me folding the edges. Now initially I started to use the glue gun, but I didn't like how it was coming out, so I did order this craft glue. You can get it on Amazon. I'm not sure how much I paid for that, I don't remember, but yeah, I used the craft glue instead. The only thing when you start this, just make sure that it dries. So once you put your item together, just leave it to dry. Press firmly and leave it to dry. Also, if you guys would like a step-by-step tutorial on how I designed this in Canva, leave a comment below and I will surely try to make that video for you guys. And also remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. And do share this video to anyone that's probably looking to figure out how to do certain crafts or designs in Canva. Please share my profile. Thank you guys. Now these are the handles. There's no measurements for the handles. When I designed it in Canva, I just did a whole, I did a long strip, so I just cut to fit. So this is definitely not measured. So I just cut to fit and then I did it on the actual item to see how long that I wanted it. Also, I used cardstock paper for this. This one was 110 pounds, I think, cardstock paper. So I mean, if you want to use glossy paper, I haven't tried it with glossy paper, but if you would like it to have more of maybe glossy shiny look, you could probably use cardstock, glossy cardstock. Now let's get into the finished product. What do you guys think? I think these are so cute. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think and leave a thumbs up. Thanks.